Well, hello fellow RVers, this is Gary and Sharon. We're standing here, we got the Rio Grande River behind us. But some people may not know what it's like to ride in an RV or a Class A motorhome.
To get to these cool places.
Yes. Well, we're fixing to show you, or getting ready to show you, probably better English.
Fixing to. Hey, we're from
getting
the
ready
south.
to. And this is going to be a drive from
Abilene State Park north to Caprock Canyon.
Okay, that way. And it's going to be uncut, unedited, unfiltered.
It's like
what you see is what it is.
What you get.
Yep.
Like you're a fly on the wall there.
On the dashboard.
So come and drive with us.
As we head down the road. Maybe a dirt road.
Right?
Who knows? All right, let's get traveling.
Yep, I guess.
Somewhere around that, 230.
3.
Continue on Farm to Market 89 East for 4 miles.
Leaving.
I came up with a picnic.
I don't know, I thought I saw it, but it could have been just the map. Loose gravel. Oh, well, there is a camper. All right, we're good. It's always a good sign to see another camper on the road that you're not really sure that you...
Dang, gravel road, oh, look at them, they're in a motorhome.
Things you should say.
I said, that's a courthouse up ahead.
Oh, I was answering Happy Easter emails.
In 1,000 feet, use any lane to turn slightly right onto US 277 North, US 83 North.
This must be the Anson Courthouse. How pretty. I love these. I love driving through these old towns. These cute towns. Eee.
Use any lane to turn slightly right onto US 277 North, US 83 North.
East Tiger RV Camp. We're not going there though. Such a cool building.
Continue on US 277 North for 1.5 miles.
And there we're done.
There's another building.
Yeah, it's a pretty church.
Is that a Presbyterian church, Methodist?
I don't know, it's pretty though. Methodist.
Methodist. Yeah.
Driving through the cute little town of Hamlin. Here in Texas, y'all. Load zone bridge 10 miles ahead. Oh, we're good.
The Hamlin Herald.
Yeah.
Newspaper. Waggoner drugstore.
Dairy Queen. 68 degrees. One-lane bridge. What if somebody runs a red light?
10 foot of lane width.
Wow. Did you read that somewhere?
Yep.
Driving an 8-foot wide RV on a 10-foot wide bridge
For 1 mile.
for 1 mile. No sweat, right? This is the double mountain fork of Brazos River. Well, there it is right there. Okay.
There's the picnic table.
Driving through the little town of Aspermont, Texas. Aspermont. other little towns that. No. The little town of Jayton. Jayton, Texas. There is nobody on the road today. We have noticed on this Easter Sunday drive, it's a lot of cars at churches. That's a health clinic, nursing home. There's a church. Well, I mean, church is out now, so. Everybody must be having Easter dinner. But I can tell you one thing, they're not eating it at a restaurant.
No.
Because we haven't seen any.
Outside of Dairy Queen.
Nope. The little town of Spur, Texas. There you go. That's a Dollar General. Looks like an old school over there. It's a church now.
Not a very big school, is it?
No, it looks like a school. I guess it could have been a church school. There's a welcome center. That was so cute. So tiny. There's a Dixie dog. Alsup's. We noticed that Alsup's has nice islands for RVs. Alright, there you go. Well, there's a school sign. School around here somewhere. Here to show it's just not little towns. It's farms and ranches and fields. It's actually more trees right here than we've seen in a while, right?
Still juniper trees?
No, junipers are those things that look like cedar trees.
Yeah.
Evergreens. These feathery looking ones I took a picture of. Well, I don't know if I see any. Yeah, here. Here's a good representation of the trip. This is probably busier than it's been. I think the wind has picked up. Nice little different terrain around here besides the flat farmland we've been seeing, right?
We're going through rolling foothills.
Yeah.
Or future mesas or plateaus or whatever they are.
Whatever you want to call them. Is very pretty. Those are junipers. Those evergreens.
Yeah.
Wow, it's really pretty. There you go. And down again. little town of Turkey. I missed it all. There's a turkey. They have turkeys around. That's funny. Hama Bob Wills. And that was it. We hope you enjoyed that little drive in Ruff Road.
Yeah, even down the dirt road. But that's what it's like sometimes. Looking out the window of a Class A motorhome going down the road.
Does have good views. But here we are at Caprock Canyon, and stay tuned. That tour will be coming soon.
Click like and subscribe.
Follow the journey.
We like looking at freedom. Gary and Sharon, Ruff Road RV Life. Take care.
Bye.